Guys, what you're seeing right now is a full 3D animated story, and I made it 100% free. No Blender, no editing skills, just 2 AI tools. Let me show you exactly how. Let's start with Gemini, totally free to use. Type this in. Give me a short 3D animated story in 3 scenes, 1 character, simple conflict, happy ending. Then ask it to break that into 3 scene descriptions, like movie shots, character, setting, camera angle. That's it, your full script ready in under 30 seconds. Now the final step in Gemini. Ask it to turn each scene into an AI video prompt. Style, 3D Pixar style animation, plus camera move and mood, under 60 words. Copy that prompt, because this is what's going to bring your scene to life. Time to head over to Runway. Free sign up, no credit card needed. Open text to video, paste your prompt, select 3D animation style, hit generate, and in under a minute, you've got a cinematic clip. And hey, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. Hit subscribe and join the family, because we're growing this together. Want more control? Generate a still image in Gemini first. Upload it into Runway's image to video, and add a short motion line like slow pan, hair moves in the wind. Repeat this for every scene, and keep the same style words so all your clips match perfectly.
But I couldn't help, you were such a mood. Sucker for a neck tattoo. So full of yourself, okay, you need help. Your ego's tighter than your Gucci.
Now download all your clips in free 720p. That's more than enough quality for YouTube. Last step, open CapCut, also completely free. Import your clips in order. Drag them onto the timeline. Add a simple crossfade between each one. Drop in a free music track and export in 1080p. That's it. A complete, free, 3D animated story. Done.
Ego's tighter than your Gucci belt. Can't believe that I fell for the lies that you tell. I must be la 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 la. You stare in the mirror longer than I do. Must have been delulu.
3D Pixar style animation. Sitting amidst the clutter on the floor, the monster joyfully hugs the open jelly bean jar, chewing happily. Camera slowly pans down and pulls back into a cozy close-up. Mood is heartwarming, triumphant, and sweet with soft golden hour lighting.
And that's the full process. A completely free 3D animated story, made without spending a single dollar. If this helped you, smash that subscribe button, because I'm building a community here of people who want to create like pros without paying for it. Drop a comment and tell me which AI tool you want me to break down next. And if you found this valuable, share it with a friend who's been wanting to try this too. See you in the next one.